एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो कि ऋतिका कहाँ थी इतने दिनों से एंड व्हाई hasn't she posted a single vlog or maybe a single video, I'm gonna answer all that question in this video. So I would request you to keep watching this video if you want to get a life update about this through this video about my life. And also, if you don't know anything, if you really want to see the behind the scene and what exactly is happening, I would request you to go and follow me on my Instagram account because I post like every day on Instagram. I am totally an Instagram addict now. And to all those people जो mostly मेरे YouTube पे है, I guess they are already following me on Instagram. So I would tell you I am dropping down my handle here, so you guys can go and check out my Instagram profile and also send me a hi if you're watching this video. I would love to chat to you. Okay, so let's talk about the first things first. There are like three main reasons why I was not posting on YouTube. And the first reason is obviously my thesis. I was doing architecture and I was in the last year of architecture. I was in 5th year and I had my thesis and I had to design so many sheets because मैंने starting से तैयारी कोई कर नहीं रखी थी. And at the end, at the moment, I used to, I was so pissed off at that moment because I don't know what else to do. And I just quit everything except Instagram because Instagram is something that keeps me sane. So I think that's important. The second reason is that after I graduated, I guess a month or two ago, yippee, I graduated. So yeah, I graduated and I got good marks and we'll talk about it later. But the thing is that after my graduation, I started freelancing, and when I actually started freelancing, I took it as a very simple thing and it was not something that I really wanted to do, but I enjoyed doing. So I thought of why not continue that thing and let's see like what exactly happens. Like I have done freelancing before also, I guess 1 year before I tried it, but somehow it didn't got the exposure. I didn't get the exposure that I really wanted to. But so now I'm doing that and I'm doing really good according to me in it, and it's going smooth. So I thought of continuing it, and it's like I have no time left to actually do all these things. It's like I have the time but I am lazy. मेरा thesis मेरे सर पे था and I had like only 1 month to complete the whole thesis and I was totally stressed out कि कैसे होगा कैसे नहीं होगा. And I used to spend all my time on my laptop screen and I had no idea कि कब खाना खाना है क्या करना है. But thankfully and thanks to God, it really happened like amazingly and I am a graduate now. So yeah, that is the second reason, and I'm now going to tell you the third reason, and you might think that I am so crazy and even I want to kill myself because of the reason. So the third reason would be because I really was inspired by a lot of people to actually start YouTubing, and it's like the first one to do that would be Kritika Goel, because when I used to watch her videos, it fascinated me so much. Like traveling was so much fun, and that too when traveling could happen like for free if you're collaborating with some travel company and business brand, and they would give it to you for free and you would travel the world. That's so exciting, I know, right? But then when I first started, I used to post like 2 to 3 travel videos when I went to Kolkata with my family, and it's like I was a little bit confused like whether should I continue with this or not, because I had no investment to be made into traveling, and I was like in my college days and I had like no savings also. So I thought of dropping the idea and doing something else. But I was literally so poor at vlogging, and vlogging was something I thought it would be easy. But when I started, when I just pulled out the camera and did it like this in the market on some other area, people used to stare at me so badly and I had like no or zero self-confidence to do that, and that's why I stopped doing it in between. So the third reason was actually because I was being very inconsistent with YouTube and it was not passionate, right? I'm telling you this thing, it was not passionate. If passion hota to I would have continued. I had posted like 12 to 10 videos. That too वो भी मैं यूँ post करती थी कि आज मैंने किसी कोई video देख ली, I got jealous because that person is doing so well on YouTube and I used to post another video. It's like that. But now after spending like so much time out of YouTube, I was thinking like why am I not doing it? Like I can speak for hours. now, because and it's all thanks to my freelancing and my coaching business that I have started recently in the last 2 months, and I'm thankful to that because उसकी वजह से now I am a good speaker. It's not मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि I was not a good speaker. I was already a good speaker, but because of some reasons मेरा self confidence low हो गया था. But now I'm happy that I am back and I'm gonna post so many videos. As I said that I really wanted to continue with my freelancing work, and like all the audience that I right now have is on 2 platforms. One of them is YouTube, that I am here, and the second one is obviously Instagram. And if you haven't checked out my Instagram profile, I would definitely say it again because it's so important and you will get so much value for free on my Instagram account. And if you're really interested to grow your online presence and make some money, it's like monetization. I teach both of these things. First, to how to grow social, and the second one is obviously how to grow social and monetize your skills and experiences. So if you're interested, just go to the link in my description and you will get the link for my Instagram account. Check it out and DM me a hi and tell me that you are from my YouTube family, and I will definitely talk to you about what exactly do you want to learn from me. Few days back I posted on my Instagram story that I really want to come back on YouTube and do something, but I really want help from you people. So a lot of you asked me this question, like how did you actually redirected yourself from being a food influencer to someone who teaches personal branding to students and actually is earning money through that. I am doing right now freelancing. I'm getting clients all from Instagram, and even few of them are my friends, so they were interested in actually learning like how they can start their monetization on Instagram through Instagram, because I have been on Instagram since the last 3 years and I have learned so much, and now I can guarantee this thing that even though I'm not doing any kind of job, I can earn through Instagram. Yeah, so I was so much busy in all those things. So a lot of you really wanted me to answer this question, like how exactly I turned into a personal branding coach from being a food influencer, and then after that I started mindset coaching for people, and then I again pivoted to this one, like the personal branding coaching, and why I did it. So if you want to know the answer, just subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. I don't know what is happening to me. It's just I'm so excited to meet all of you after so long. Yeah, press the bell icon because I'm gonna be coming up with that video very soon. It's going to be a Q&A with me. So if you want to know more about my business life, then definitely you should subscribe to my channel. And also what I have been thinking, I don't know should I say it or not, but as you see that this channel is only for a little bit of fun and musty, so I thought of starting a new channel about particularly my business and maybe something and some kind of value that I can give you guys for free, which can be of very help to you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And if you want to stay tuned for any of those news, just go to my Instagram profile and DM me a hi, because I'll be staying connected to you guys. And if you have any questions related to this video and any other thing, just comment down below so that I can know that you are watching my video. So right now I'm just gonna have my lunch, and after that I will watch a movie with my sister, because I get a lot of free time when I started freelancing, and I will tell you all about my freelancing in the next video. So if you're interested, just wait a while, because I'll be having that video very soon. And also one of the reasons that I left, and I didn't leave YouTube, one of the reasons that I stopped making videos on YouTube is that the difference between YouTube videos and Instagram stories is, firstly, obviously Instagram stories can be in portrait mode, and it's much easier to hold the camera and the phone and to make the stories, and it's very much easy. Even the angles are there and I look pretty in it. And the second thing is that it's like in YouTube, if you are talking, you need to be a little more organizable, and you need to be a little more professional, which I'm not doing right now, I know, because I wanted to be a very random vlog, and I wanted to talk to you guys, and right now I am enjoying it so much. So please just comment down all your views about what you think that I should continue with, and what do you think I should make the new video about, because I have like a whole month now and I want to spend that whole month making YouTube videos, talking to you guys. So if you want me to make any kind of video, just comment down below so that I know that you guys are not just my subscribers but also you love my videos and you want me to come back on YouTube. And with that said, let's meet again in the very next video. Ta-da, bye bye. And also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because yes, if you subscribe to my channel and like the video, it will show that you guys love me and you want me to come back. Bye bye.